Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niranjan, professional graphic designer and social media creator. Today we are going to learn about one more new things inside the Photoshop. We are going to create water effect on the image. Then you can create water effect on the any kind of image. Okay, let's go ahead and do the practice kit. To do that, go to image gallery and open some image from your gallery. So I'm going to open some image from my gallery. So I'll select this image and this image. Okay, I open two image. Select one image from here. Okay, I selected this image and create a new layer. Select your brush tool from your toolbar. Then adjust the brush size how you want it, how big you want it, and make sure this hardness should be 100%. Then go to window. In your brush, in here we have to change some settings on the brushes. Select this brush tip shape, size around 30 to 35, and spacing 98. Good for me. Hardness should be 100%. The hardness should be 100%. Then select the shape dynamic and change the size jitter from like 91. Minimum diameter around 15. Roundness around 75%. Minimum roundness around 44. Then select the scattering around 520. Count is 1 okay. Count jitter around 78. Then close the dialog box. Then choose the color from here. I select like familiar with the gray color. Then now apply on the image properly like this. You can apply nicely like that. That's good for me. And if you want, you can apply single dots also like that. Applying is almost done. Now right click on your layer 1 and go to the blending options. Select the drop shadow. Here opacity around like a 20 to 25%. Like that, okay. 21%. Distance around 5 and spread 4 is good, and size also 4 is okay. And here this counter mode, select the cone mode, this one. Then select the inner shadow. Make sure blend mode is multi. Opacity around 25 to 30. Let's see how it is. Somewhere like this, it's okay. Then select the inner glow. Make sure blend mode is multi. Just change the color to black. Opacity around 20, 21, 20, okay. Now select the bevel and emboss. Here style inner bevel. Make sure style inner bevel. And technique should be smooth. Depth 100% okay. Size around 15 to 20, 18. Size around 18 is okay. And here angle around 85%. Attitude around 72%. And here highlight mode, make sure it's normal. The opacity keep 100%. And shadow mode here, keep it overly. Opacity around 78. Now you can see the effect how it is. But still we did not finish our work. Now hit OK. Alright. Now come layer palette in here. Now this fill decrease until to 0. See what? If you want to add more drops while clicking single drops, you can apply like that. See, if you want to fill more, you can apply like that. But now I want to remove some extra drops. It's very easy to do that. Select the eraser tool from here and you can erase. Make sure select the layer 1, otherwise your flower will be erasing like that. See, it's very easy. Then remove the extra drops. So okay, our work almost done. Now what we are going to do, we are going to apply same effect into another image. It's very easy to do that because we already has done all the settings. Very simply we can apply same effect into another image. Now select the other image, this one, a bit zoom it and create the new layer. Then select the brush tool from here and you apply effect into this. You don't want to make all the settings like before because we already has done all the settings. And if you want to apply big drops, you can change your brush size. For me, this is good. So I'm keeping like this size. Okay, it's almost good for me. Now we almost done. Go to your previous image and in here right click on your layer 1. Then in here copy layer style. Just click the copy your layer style like that. Then you go to your second image and right click second image layer 1 and here paste your layer style like that. See what happened? Wow, it's very easy. Now what effect already apply into the second image also. This is the today practice and our work. Go ahead and do more practice to become expert with the Photoshop. Thank you for watching.